bouncing with Winnie the Pooh and Tigger. Do you like to bounce? Oh, here, do it with me. Bounce, 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 bounce. That was fun. Say, would it be okay if we got a picture together?
Yeah.
Hot dog.
All right. Look at your cameras first.
Cheese.
There we go.
Cheese.
Okay, right over this one.
Cheese.
Right here, mine.
Cheese. Nice to see ya.
Nice to see you, baby.
Thank you. Hey there, pal.
Hey.
Could I sign that for you? Oh, boy.
Right to my left-hand side, please.
M-O-U-S-E. There you go. One autograph coming later. Last time I wrote Mickey, I got a plural this time. I'm just kidding. There you go. Oh, hey, I've been practicing my mind-reading powers. Want to see? I knew you'd say that. Just a sec. Thank you.
You're welcome. That was so enthusiastic.
Pick a card, any card. Oh, excellent choice. Now, show it to our friends, but don't let me see it.
All right, everybody see it, Mickey.
Good. Now, look into my eyes. Is it the Queen of Hearts?
Yes.
It worked.
Pretty awesome.
Here.
Yeah, all right.
Round
Pick a
two.
card. And look into my eyes. Is it the Queen of Hearts?
Again? Yes.
Again? Oh.
Probably should have just done that one. So, our photo.
Sure.
Awesome.
Well, by herself in the
Yeah.
camera.
Look at your camera first.
Cheese.